So kuna this setup tulikuwa tumeshare pale kwa social media Fourtrades na kwa Fourtrades.com. It is a very good setup. Tulikuwa tuna anticipate this buy or this sell, market ikibreak around this area tulikuwa tunaona very quick sell over here. Ilikuwa a very risky sell, but some market iko ina higher momentum, ama trend iko super high, ina follow the bulls channel. Now tulijipata in this way kwa this market. Ukiangalia hapa hivi daily market ili close above ama ili break this consolidation area. The next day market ili come, haiku retest sababu ili close inside the consolidation area, ikatupatia it is a no go area. So what we did on the next day, vile market ili close above the 50% of this area, tukajua momentum still iko bullish, so tuka anticipate this move over here. Tulikuwa tunajua market it might come to this area over here na but haikuwa ready yet according to this nini. Tulikuwa tunangoja at least 50% retracement of that area, your market itatuonyesha itakuwa imegather some more momentum na kupump up. So ukikuja hapa hivi kwa 1 hour, kwa 4 hour I mean, sorry, market ili consolidate hapa hivi for a very long time. Tukajua market imegather enough momentum ya kupanda juu, so tulistack our orders, tulistack most of our orders around this area pali market iko around hapa hivi, tukiwa tumeput our stop loss around this place sababu of this candle over here ilikuwa ni a bullish candle, so tukaweka at least 50%. You market kama inge break this area over here, possibly tulikuwa have that sell, tulikuwa anticipate pale kwa 1 hour earlier. So market haikufanya hivyo. Hapa hivi kwa 1 hour market tulikuja ku enter that trade after tuliona this momentum over here. There is a momentum, our sell momentum hapa hivi ilijaribu ku change, and after sometimes market ilikuja ika close below, ika close above that area. Ndio maana tuli enter this area, stop loss yetu ilikuwa around this area, tukapata that buy setup. Market ilienda, our take profit 1 ilikuwa hit, tuna hope for our take profit 2, but we cannot enter to in that trade yet, but to close our orders above our second the trade imebaki to close above this area. So market ikigonga hapa hivi tumekuwa break even, but tuta hope we enter market as soon as market iko around this area. So stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and just visit Fourtrades.com. It is a very good platform for this kind of setup. So good luck with this.